Do you know Kat Matlala?
I know Kat Matlala.
How do you know him? Have you got a relationship with him?
No. Before I came back to the police, I didn't know Kat, Mr. Matlala. I didn't know Mr. Matlala, and I got to know Mr. Matlala when he called, asking, wanting to meet. And I said, no, come to the office.
When was that call?
The call was around about I can't remember exactly, but I do have the bundle where when they wanted to have a meeting with the lawyer, because they did came. I don't know with my legal team whether we did put. I have it, Chair. If we can maybe like during lunch or after, just produce the paperwork. Unless
Can you look at this is annexed to. Thank you, Maria. This is at pages 203 to 205 to your statement. It's not
200
it's not 203, 205. And it's you deal with it in your statement on page 26 from paragraph 81.